Multiplying and dividing by powers of 10. Welcome to SubX. This video we are going to discuss a very important topic, which is powers of 10. Number 1. Each oval card has the same value as a square card. So we can write like A, here is mentioned 1000, 1000. B, 100. Our question is copy and complete the list of pairs of cards with the same value. Here already mentioned number A, here is 1000 and which is 10 cube, it means number 3. How? Because this 1000 we can write 10 times 10 times 10 and it will be equal what? 10 to the power 3. So this 100, it means what? If we simplify 10 times 10, so this will be 10 square. So which number? 10 square? It's a V. So number B will become number C means 5. Sorry, it's a 5. So we can say it's a 5 because 110 square. We can write in here because it's looking bigger. Next, 1, here is 1 0 0, then 000 1 2 3. It means, look, it's an interesting thing, 1000 1 2 3 0, right? So 10 to the power 3, 100 2 0, it means 10 square. Simple, 1 2 3 4 5, 50, it means 10 to the power 5. So C becomes what? Where is 10 to the power 5? Number 1. So number 1. Okay. Number D. So number C will become 10 to the power 5. Number D, here is 1, then 0, then 000, again 000, 1 2 3. So it means here is 70, 1 2 3 4 5 6 70. So it will be 10 to the power 7. So which one is 10 to the power 7? Number 2 is a 10 to the power 7. So it will be number D. C was number 1. D will become what? Number 2. Because here is 10 to the power 7 and this one is 10 to the power 5. So number what? 7 is a number 2. Okay. And finally number E. E, here is 1 0, then 1 2 3 0, it means total 40. So it will be 10 to the power 4. Where is 10 to the power 4? Number 4. Here number 4 will be 10 to the power 4. So we can write number 4 because 10 to the power 4. So both sides I am trying to write. This is looking bigger, it will help you. So it's a simple thing, any number after 1, like we can explain like 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. So it means total 30 after 1. So it will be 10 to the power 9. Very simple. Okay. So number 1 done. Now number 2, copy and complete the following. What? Here is number A, 6 times 10 to the power 4. So it means here is 6 is okay, and then 10 to the power 4, it means 1 1 2 3 4 0, and finally we can write 6 4 0. Okay, so it's a simple thing. Next, number B, 9 times 10 to the power 4. It means 9 times 1 0, then 1 2 3, total 4 0. So finally 9 1 2 3 4 0. So what about next number C? Here is 3 times 10 to the power 4. So 3 times then 1. After 1 we will write 4 0. 1 2 3 4. So finally it will be 3 0, then 1 2 3, total 4 0. So what about if we write like 5 times 10 square? So first 5 times 10 square means 100, and 5 times 100 it will be 500. So let's example another 6 times, suppose here is 10 cube, it means 6, then what, 10 cube means 1000, and finally it will become 6000. Now our practice will become reverse. Suppose 7000. If we want to make like this way, it means 10 to the power. So first here is 7000. This 7000 we can write 7 times 1000, right? Then we can write 7 times 1000 means 10 to the power 3. Very simple. So no more today. Next video we will discuss more and more. Till then, take care, keep practice. We are starting Cambridge Lower Secondary Mathematics Workbook 7, and we are in Unit 3, Place Value and Rounding. Thank you very much.